Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am trying something new here. Uh, I have looked over this little cutie for a hot minute on ILD, so I decided to try it because I am really starting to get into my smaller bags, as you guys have seen from previous videos. So because I like this baguette style, even though I wish this was in a flap bag, I decided to try this one. So let's see which one this is. I ordered two. Um, this is the one I'm going to open up today. So, and by the way, I'm carrying my my large hobo today. She is nice and full. I don't know if you guys can see that, but she is, yeah. She was pretty cute. Just kind of held on to the strap since it's that really wide strap, and just rocked her on my break and going back and forth from work. So yeah, really enjoyed her today. I think this was called the Camden. I don't know if this is the one that was called the Camden, but I'm thinking this is what was called. I don't know, you guys. I'm probably wrong with that. Anyway, when I got it, it was called the large hobo. So she's so pretty in Florentine leather and brown Tmoro. Yeah, so very nice. So let's see here. So this is the this is the baguette in brown Tmoro. Like I said, I ordered two, and I'll show you guys the other one a little bit later. There she is. Something cute to wear on the weekends or when you're going out to special events. This is about 10 inches long according to the website. Yeah, so there she is. She's a little plain to me, even though she's got the signature on her. There goes all the paper. And that is her strap. She's got feet. Yeah, she's not very deep at all, but this is going to be perfect for those days when I just want to make a quick run. So plenty of elbow room there. Let me go ahead and take this off. She does not have the braided zipper pull, just a simple zipper pull. But let's see here. No leather on the side. I wish they would have added a little bit more to it. But anyway, she's really cute. She just looks to me like an undersized hobo. And then of course zipper. Let's take a look at the inside. So she's got a loose pocket on this side. And then she's got another loose pocket on this side. I'm going to stop the camera. I'm going to go grab my other East-West shoulder bag, the flap one, and I'll do a quick comparison. Okay guys, welcome back. I just wanted to compare this the East-West shoulder bag. It's the flap shoulder bag. In ostrich to this. You guys, if you've seen this on my channel, you know that I really like this bag. She has detachable shoulder strap and all that good stuff, but I wanted to compare the size and the inside. So the inside of this one also just has the open pockets on both sides here. So they're basically the same on the inside. Of course, this one has more detail and everything. But I wanted to compare the size because this was saying 10 inches. And I didn't get a measuring tape to measure, but it looks like they're pretty much the same size because this one says it measures 10 inches too. This one doesn't have feet, that one does. But I just really like these baguette styles, y'all. I really, really do. So I'm glad Dooney and Bourke does have the selection for us, for those of us who like baguette style. So that's just pretty much the same. Now this one is just maybe a tad bit wider here in the depth, but I think it's going to be so cute. They're pretty much the same. But yeah, so this one has a zipper on it and that one doesn't. But I mean, some people don't particularly like flap bags. So, you know, then you have Dooney and Bourke who offers the zipper baguette style. So that's pretty cool. And then they're the same, pretty much the same style. Most baguettes are about this size, depending on, well, I guess this would be considered a smaller size because I know that Fendi has different sizes in their baguettes. I would absolutely love to have a Fendi bag if I was not so cheap. I looked at the prices. I was like, how many $1,000s? Anyway, so those of us who don't want to be that girl and you want to be the girl baddie on a budget, so I do recommend this because it's really, really cute. You know, you got a good shoulder drop here. And then this, is, of course, is the flap, like I was saying, and they measure pretty much the same. So if you don't like the flap, this would be a great baguette style for those of you who like small bags or who like to switch out to smaller bags on the weekend. And this just has a little bit of signature. This is in the coated cotton, the Greta is what they call it. I really like this. This is in the brown Tmoro, if I did not already say that. She does have the key leash or whatever you want to grab on there, and all of the Dooney and Bourke signatures on it and all that stuff. Yeah, so very, very cute. It doesn't have as much leather on the inside of it as this one does. It just has the patches here. So yeah, this is really, really cute. I think it'll be great for just hanging out. I'm going to look forward to adding some little bag charms and stuff like that onto it. So I just wanted to show you that new cutie that I got. As I was thinking about it when it was coming, I was wondering if I was going to keep it, but I think it is very, very cute, and I think I know I'm going to keep it, and it'll be a good switch back and forth between this and my flap. So anyway, thanks for joining me, guys, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.